A busy workplace presents a lot of challenges for a forklift operator. With so much going on and so many people on the move, you have to stay alert and be sure to follow safe driving practices. Your vision will naturally be limited at intersections, doorways, and elevators. And these locations typically have a lot of vehicle and foot traffic. So watch carefully for pedestrians and other vehicles in these areas. Sound the horn to let people know you're approaching. Come to a complete stop before changing direction. Then look both ways before moving off again. Don't assume that pedestrians will see you. Always check for them before you move your forklift. Watch out for them when you're in motion, and make eye contact with them to verify that they're aware of you. Remember, pedestrians always have the right of way. Since they may not understand a forklift's potential hazards, it's up to you to remind pedestrians to keep their distance even when your lift is stopped. Never drive your forklift up to a pedestrian who is standing in front of a bench, wall, or other fixed object. Don't let anyone walk under raised forks, whether they're loaded or not. Don't let co-workers ride on your forklift either, and never let anyone ride on the load. When you are driving a forklift, always stay at least 3 lengths behind other forklifts that are traveling in the same direction. Do not pass them at intersections or even on straightaways. If you have to operate a forklift on ramps, slopes, or grades, pay special attention, because this can be tricky. The rules are different depending on whether the lift you're driving is loaded or unloaded. For instance, if you drive a loaded forklift forward down an incline, the load is likely to slide off the forks. That's why you should always keep the forks of a loaded forklift pointed up any grade. That means driving in reverse on the way down a ramp and going forward on the way up. When you are going up, have a coworker spot for you if the load you're carrying blocks your view. With an unloaded forklift, keep the forks pointed down the grade. Drive forward going down the incline and backward going up. This helps the vehicle's drive wheels maintain traction and prevents skids. Always proceed slowly and travel straight, both up and down an incline. Don't turn or try to travel across one. The truck will become dangerously unstable, and it's very likely to tip over sideways. Trucks, trailers, and rail cars often carry materials that forklifts are called on to handle, but they also have some special safety issues you need to be aware of. To prevent them moving unexpectedly, check that trucks and trailers have their brakes applied and their wheels chocked before you drive onto them. Take a good look at all of their floors too. If they can't support the weight of your forklift and its load, you could fall right through them. Whether you're loading or unloading, always use a dock plate to bridge the gap between trucks and rail cars and the loading dock. Make sure the plate's in good condition and secured firmly in place. Verify that it's rated to handle the weight of your forklift plus the weight of the load you will be carrying. And drive across the dock plate slowly and carefully.